We know about the animals, but what about the environment that they lived in? How do we know about that?
And then in here, we've got a really good example of symmetrical ripple marks in the back. So ripple marks happen from the either water or wind moving back and forth. Wind ripples are typically a lot bigger. These were made from water. And because they're symmetrical, it means that water was moving in and then out. So if they were asymmetrical and they kind of bowed a little bit, then that would show that there was water moving one direction, kind of like a river. But we were in a lake system or fluvial system, and so that means that you get symmetrical ripple marks. And then down here, there are raindrop impressions. They're a little bit hard to see. And so they look almost like those Scolethos burrows, except that they kind of have a rim on them. The burrows don't. So they're a little bit different, but raindrops are super rare to have impressions of, and we have a few of them here because we had such a nice environment to preserve fossils in. And then right here we have some plants. So over here we have a conifer. It's called St. Georgii. And then right here we have something called Milnerites, and this one is named after our local paleontologist. He discovered it, but he didn't name it. You can't actually name specimens after you, or new fossils after you. So this one was named after him though, but published by someone else. And then St. Georgii he found and named. So those ones are really cool. They're totally local. And then over here you can see it's just half of a leaf. This picture gives you a better idea of what you're looking at. But yeah, it's just half of a leaf impression there. So that one's fun to look at.